Welcome to Rolly Studio Global. Today we are going to yet another beautiful designer blouse, and in which we have done a beautiful and easy design, and it is glittering all over, and the materials used are very economic and easy to do also, and friendly materials. What I have is the frames which is for the diamond shaped mirrors, and this particular shape size mirror will fit exactly into the frame, and two different sizes of golden beads and a same color golden thread, Fevicryl fabric gum, which is excellent gift for all the craft makers. And for this saree we are going to make a designer blouse, and this is one of my favorite sarees because once I went to Shiradi for a darshan, and as the remembrance from Shiradi I bought this saree, and so I have chosen yellow color, which is favorite color of Sai Baba. And this is a netted saree in which we have a thread jari border plus red color woven diamonds all over the body of the saree, and very lovely small diamonds and the larger diamonds are woven in the saree, and this is the blouse given for that, and it is a running material of the same netted piece of same color, and I stitched with the lining and a square neck, and the square neck is supported with the jari border. Jari is given in the blouse piece itself. One side jari I use for the sleeves and another side is used for this square neck. See, exactly few points I am marking as I wish. It is your wish completely where to fix and how many to be fixed. See, I feel satisfied with these particular places and the distances, so that I marked in that way. So after that, so simple to do, and I apply gum all over the places wherever I marked. You can go for excess gum also. Anyway, we are going to make secure stitches on the frame, so I am not going with more gum here. See, all the places. Fix the diamond mirror. Superb. It started glittering. Now this is the frame which will exactly fit to the shape of the diamond ring. See, perfect fitting. Yes. Now you can stitch it as it is. Otherwise you can apply gum first, then fix the frame on that. Later you can have a stitch with the same color thread. Anything is okay, but I prefer gumming and then stitching. See, outside the mirror I apply gum safely. So please ensure that gum is not exceeding the limit of the frame. See, frame is exactly fit into that. Let it dry for half an hour or 1 hour, and then take the same color thread, and that particular frame has holes in it, so invisible stitches you can give, and to support it or make more beauty there, I use some golden beads. See how I am stitching. Look at the video carefully and go for stitching it. See, that particular frame has the hole in it, so you cannot see the stitches from anywhere, from any distance. So nicely it can be done. Even you can make it over, not a problem, because we have chosen the same color thread. And then have a tight knot there. Ensure the stability. See, it won't come. So fine model has been made by. The same way I am fixing all the frames by stitching along with the bead. Now it is the time to decorate our sleeves. Sleeves also the same way, but instead of having only one mirror, one frame and one bead, I am arranging 3 diamond mirrors in a spade shape, so it's giving me more grand work. Yeah, beads also first I stick and then stitch. You can straightly stitch that also. Now we will give the same touch in the saree so that the whole set is elevated. See how the pallu of the saree is. It is woven with normal golden color, but woven with the thread completely, which has no glittering, but blouse is elevated when compared to the saree, so that I am going to give the same touch of mirrors, frame and the beads here and there on the pallu. See how I arrange them farther from each other, but equidistance is maintained, so that very simple and economic work will make the saree and the blouse more beautiful. See, diamond plus this one we used in the sleeve, so that 2-3 places I used that spade shape also. Very nice, superb. Now to fill the gaps, I am going with small stones, kundan stones, randomly in between the diamonds. So it is complete. Now the frills are going to be covered with the diamonds. Again randomly I choose some points only where we have red color diamonds in the saree. I just fix some marks and fix the same thing, mirror, frame, and then the bead. Even bead is not needed, but very rarely I fix them on the saree, but the beauty of that when we walk, no, it's very lovely to see. So this is the finished look. See how nice. That's why I told you to have a touch of this diamonds on the saree also. So the color, the work we have done, the materials what we have used, everything impressed everyone, I hope. Not only that, hope you loved this video, and I wish all you to try this design and send me the pics of that to the WhatsApp number in the video. All the best to you all. Search for the materials and complete the design and send to me. Like, share and subscribe my videos. Thanks for watching them. Bye bye.